Is it me, or do you wanna do things to me? Is it you, or the tune that makes me weak? Excuse this inquisition if your position is opposition. But I may die if touching me is off permission. You shut the door to write the score. I'm a whore to think it's more. You come in close, or you think you do. It's entirely possible I'll die if touching me won't be the song we try to write. Make me on your mind, take your time. Do you think of me when you're alone? Maybe you're not alone and there's someone else. There's so much I want to know. Why don't you answer your phone? I'm here outside your place. May I come in and taste the freckles on your face? Put my legs around your waist. I guess I'll sit here and wait. You play 6 strings, but you're playing me. You're trying to work, I'm a perv. But if your mouth wants to go on me, I'm here on the couch, pretending to be. What if I die of deprivation of your mouth? Maybe I should make the move. I guess I don't have much to lose. If we were face to face, would you be the first to break? Though I did see a blade on your chain, so maybe I'll wait. I'm in hell, hoping to sort it out. So love me, like actors on a stage. Are the cameras ready? If we're a film, this would be when you're annoyed by me. By the end of Act 2, I'd sing a sad song to you. You read your last lines. Does it say goodbye? Can someone write in a beautiful lie?